Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2018 Buick Enclave? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box provides centralized power distribution for key systems like the ECU, ignition, and fuel pump. It protects circuits from overloads and short circuits while aiding in electrical diagnostics. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box controls and protects electrical circuits for interior components like lights, infotainment, and climate control. It ensures safe operation and simplifies fault detection in the vehicle's cabin systems. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box manages power distribution to rear electrical systems such as tail lights, rear defogger, and power outlets. It provides circuit protection and supports efficient troubleshooting for rear-end components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.